Hello and welcome to He Said, She Said, Food for Thoughts. What we're making?
We're going to actually make a hamburger beef stroganoff.
Hamburger.
Yes, we're going to use hamburger because I was able to get this on sale today for about $5.32 for 3 pounds. I'm using 2 pounds.
Cool. So we saved £1. We can make something else with.
It's pretty cheap, really good price on it.
What you got here?
We've got these for $1.19 per pound. I'm using 1.5 pounds, a small onion, 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to eventually show you how I'm going to put in the garlic and 3 tablespoons of flour to thicken the sauce. We'll
So
go
we've
from
got
there.
beef broth, sour cream, garlic, Worcester, Worcestershire, salt, pepper, and some metal spoons.
Super easy, super economical. You can feed at least 4 people with this, and it's going to turn out great.
Cool. Okay, so you've browned the meat.
I browned the meat. It's cooked through, but not too much because you're still going to have to cook this for about 20 minutes, but it's really fast and easy. I added 3 tablespoons of flour here, along with about 2 tablespoons of the butter. I'm going to add the beef broth.
And what you're making, the roux?
A slight roux, because I still have to cook the mushrooms and the onions and garlic with the meat. I'm going to add a tablespoon of Worcestershire. I'm going to add a tablespoon of Worcestershire, and I'm going to add the meat back in to brown everything.
Okay. Okay, so where are we at, lady?
Alright, so I've gone ahead and sauteed the mushrooms, onion, garlic. I added a little bit of salt and pepper at the very end. And I let it cool slightly because you don't want to add the sour cream when it gets, if it's too hot, because it can actually curdle. Yeah. And then I'm using Celentani, which you can eat. It's just a curly noodle here that I've cooked al dente. So once you let this all kind of come together, it's just an easy meal, and I don't think we've spent more than $5 each on this, and we've got at least 4 meals out of this.
Cool.
So thank you for watching. He Said, She Said.
Food for thought.